Hello everyone. Okay, we'll start to formatting this laptop, which is a brand Acer and with the model Aspire V11 Touch. Okay guys, so we will start to format this laptop. This is not a laptop, it's a netbook without a without the DVD reader, CD reader. Okay, the first thing for Acer, turn on your laptop and then hold the alternate with F10, and then it will automatically access the factory setting if your laptop or netbook never formatted before. So hold the button alternate, this one or this one, and then F10. Okay. It shows the menu, which is continue, troubleshoot, turn off your PC. Okay, for my case, I will click the troubleshoot to reset your PC. If your laptop already have been formatted before, so your factory image for the Windows will not be stored, so you have to using a USB, a bootable USB, which is contain Windows or other operating system. So here, if you reset your PC, all your personal files and apps will be removed. Your PC setting will be changed back to the default. So we click to next. Okay, there is two options, which is just remove my files or fully clean the drive. If you want to format your laptop or PC and then you don't want to fully clean your device, so you can choose just remove my files, which is it will install your operating system and remove all your files back to the factory setting. For this one, it is also same function, but it will take a lot of time, so you have to wait. Maybe if you got a lot of files inside, so I think it will take about 1 to 3 hours. But let me choose this, just remove my files. Click it. All ready to go. This will remove your personal files and apps from your PC and restore all settings to their default. Okay, I click reset. Ta-da! So the resetting your PC, this is the status, 14%. Okay, we will wait until it finish. Okay, now is 23%, so we'll wait until 100%. Alright, get back to you soon. Okay guys, so it's already completed, and then it will automatically on, and we wait until it's appear the next step. Alright, this is the menu, so we choose, you can't change your language later, so choose carefully. There is the option which is English and Chinese, so we choose English. So we change the country of region. This is for your location. So we search for Malaysia, and then the time zone we change to UTC 8 for Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Okay, and then we click next. Alright, this is the license terms, so we just accept it here at the bottom of the right side. I accept, click, and this is for email, so usually I will skip this step, so click skip. Alright, okay, the PC name, you need to enter your PC name. For me, I will insert only a user. You cannot see it, right? Oh, never mind. Okay, click next. You get online, and also this step I will skip. Okay, the setting. Usually we will click the use express setting here. This is customized, so if you want to customize, then you can click here, but I will choose use express setting, so it will automatically setting your netbook, your laptop, your PC. Alright, so username, put your username. I will put user, and put your password if you want to have a better security, but I will not enter for me. And then I click finish. Oh yeah, it cannot be the same username with the PC name, so I will change it. I will use the owner's name. Okay, finish. Finalizing your setting. So for the resetting process, just now it will take about 15 to 20 minutes. It depends. Sometimes it will take 10 minutes only, but average 15 to 20 minutes. So for now, the process is to setting up your laptop, your netbook. So just wait until it is finished. Alright, okay guys, almost ready. So make sure your battery is full, or you need to connect your power, plug in to the power, so you are not running out of your current. So before you start to format your device, so make sure you have backup already your files in your external hard disk, or others, or any else, because after formatted, then all your files will be gone. Okay, this is just a soft reminder. Almost ready. Okay guys, it's finished finally, so you can use it as usual. So this is the appearance after I finish formatting this netbook. So I can start to install all the software. I think that's all for today. See you next video. Thank you guys. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye.